Today I'll be showing you how I painted a Cairn Wraith for Warhammer. First off, when assembling, I chose from the instructions here, the head that doesn't look like an actual skull, like the middle option. And I went with the round base, but I took the square base because it's detailed and cut the sides off and glued it on there, so I used both. First off, I primed it in cheapo white spray paint primer that applies to plastic to give us one base coat and an overall place to work off of, which you should prime everything you're painting. I painted the base, except for the rocks, with Vallejo Flat Earth. For the rocks, Uniform Gray by the Army Painter. Monster Brown for the handle of the scythe. Then Wraith Bone by Citadel for the bone arms. Then Citadel Leadbelcher for the blade of the scythe. But then for a lighter silver for the mask, a chain silver from Vallejo. Strong tone on the base, the bone arms, the staff, and the blade. I didn't use it for the mask. Then for a rust effect, Scrag Brown by Citadel, and over top that, Troll Slayer Orange, also by Citadel, to be dry brushed on. The Cairn here is clearly wearing a hood of some sort on top of the ghosty fixture, so contrast Basilicana Gray and then Black Templar to give us a black hood. Dark tone for the mask, and then contrast Blood Angels Red for the little hood shaw thing, and then contrast Apothecary White for all the white cloak bits. I'm gonna forget to take the photo of, but I used Stormhost Silver by Citadel to use the little silver studs on the hood and the mask to highlight it, and then use Pure Red from Army Painter, which is like a perfect match for Blood Angels Red, to neaten up the spots I missed. And then some dark tone again for the deep bubbles of the rusted scythe. And that was it. That was ridiculously easy. It only took me like 4 days, probably not even. So, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you have your own Cairn Wraith painting video? Let me know in the comments below.